John chapter 3, verse 18. From the words of the Son of God, Jesus Christ. He that believeth on him is not condemned, but he that believeth not is condemned already, because he hath not believed in the name of the only begotten Son of God. Those who reject Jesus as the Messiah, the true literal Son of God, begotten and divine, is already condemned. But the irony of it all is that those who deny Jesus are the ones condemning those who believe in the literal begotten Son of God, Jesus Christ. The Trinity doctrine had mass persecuted those who do not subscribe to their erroneous theory about the Son of God. You see, Trinity destroys the personality of Jesus as the true Son. They say God the Son. This is error. The truth of the matter is, I confess and I believe that Jesus is the literal Son of God. But the problem today is the one who professes Jesus the Son of God is being condemned. But the good news is we are not condemned by God. We are blessed and favored because we know who Jesus Christ is.